Hello, I hope you are all enjoying the Follies. I was thinking, talking with Sean recently, and we were talking about that pizza that we serve at the parties, making everybody fat. So I think we should give something healthier to our students, because healthier students will help rise the rankings. So I think of Chicken Kitchen. I just love chicken, you know? I can stop eating it. As a matter of fact, I have this piece of chicken and I'm going to eat it right now. Mm-mm. Oh, this is great. I just like chicken too much. So, from now on, Chicken Kitchen will be at every party. Don't stop eating chicken. Goodbye.